All right, hello. We are ready for our notes here, 5.7b. I'm on page 345 in the book. We have already done this page when I changed the directions on you. The first time we did it, I just said graph. You're given a slope, you were given a point. That's where I asked you, how many points does it take to graph a line? And you said 2, so we graphed the point, and then we did rise over run and found the second point and we graphed it. So that was the previous day, page 345. This time we're actually going to follow the directions in the book. I'll start with number 4. The directions read, write an equation in point slope form for the line with the given slope that contains the given point. Okay, first of all, nowhere in those directions does it say to graph, so there's no graphing. Write an equation in point slope form. You need to look back, or maybe some of you already know point slope form, and that is this: y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. And our job is to substitute in. I'll do it in color so you can kind of see it. I'll go green. This m would be this 1/5. And then, let's see, this y1 would be this -6 coordinate. And then this x1 would be this 2. So we substitute in all 3 pieces, the 1/5, the 2, and the -6. Make sure they go in the right place. So I keep the y out front. Y minus y1, well, that would be the -6. Now in a minute, I'm going to fix those 2 negatives in a row and make it a +6. Keep going. Equals m, which is 1/5, parentheses x, I keep that x, minus x1, and that's that 2. I'm almost done. The only thing I have left is those 2 negatives would give me y plus 6 equals 1/5 x minus 2. That is my answer. That's how I would do problems 4, 5, and 6. And then, looking down, 23, 24, and 25. Again, 4, 5, and 6, 23, 24, 25 on your paper are all that point slope form. So you're going to do it this way. The next half of the problems follow number 7. This time, the directions are nearly the same, except for number 7, the directions read, write an equation in slope-intercept form for the line with the given slope that contains the given point. This time, my form is y equals mx plus b. And we will do problems 7, 8, and 9, and the last 3 on the page, 29, 30, and 31. This way, using this y equals mx plus b, or also called slope-intercept form. So, we need to substitute. In place of this y, I put the y coordinate, which is 8. So I would write, I'd start off, 8 equals. In place of m, I would substitute -1/3. So 8 equals -1/3. In place of the x, you would substitute the x coordinate, or that -3. And notice I'm going to put parentheses right here. So it's mx, -1/3 times 1/3. and I would keep it plus b, because that's what I need to solve for. We need to solve this equation. Well, what would be negative 1/3 times 3? Again, that's a times sign. We'll know that two negatives make a positive. 1/3 times negative 3, that'd be 1. So I would have 8 equals 1 plus b. And a lot of you know right now that b is going to be 7. Well, to solve that, you do this. Subtract 1, and you get 7 equals b. So I need to solve it for b, and I get an answer of 7. But that's not my answer. I don't have my answer in slope-intercept form. My answer, my final answer would be y equals m. But remember what m is? I have it circled at the top. Negative 1/3 x plus b. Now what was b? I just found it. It's right above right there in black. 7. And that would be my answer. Notice your answer has one x and one y in it. If you look back at the previous problem, this was my answer, and it also has one x and one y in it. So that's what's in common with all of these problems. So you have 12 problems. You have 6 of them to do it one way. This, like number 4, point slope form. The other 6 will be done like number 7, slope intercept form. Hey, thanks for watching.